Instant relaxation technique. Lie down in Shavasana. Bring your legs together, join the heels and toes together and place the palms by the side of the thighs. Keep the face relaxed with a smile throughout the practice. We are going to tense one part at a time, starting from the toes all the way to the head. When we tense the body has a natural tendency to relax, which will help us relax further. Start tightening from the toes, tighten the ankle joints and calf muscles, pull up the kneecaps, tighten the thigh muscles, compress and squeeze the buttocks, breathe out and suck the abdomen in, form the fists and tighten the arms, inhale and expand the chest, tighten the shoulders, neck muscles and compress the face, tighten the whole body from the toes to the head, tighten, 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 release and let go the whole body instantaneously. Legs and arms go apart with the open palms facing the roof. Collapse the whole body. Enjoy the instant relaxation. Slowly get up by turning towards your left or right and get ready for pranayama.